Most founders don't launch their products the way they want to. They launch it the way their budget lets them. But that ends today. That's because we're breaking down 3 product launch types and 3 powerful tools inside HeyGen that make all of this possible. And that's with 0 film crew, 0 camera anxiety, and no $10,000 budget needed to pull any of this off. Let's just call it, product launch videos are a nightmare. So most teams skip the video launch entirely, or they ship something that's forgettable that nobody watches for a second time. But here's the good news. There are exactly 3 types of product launch features that actually work. That's the product showcase launch, the social teaser launch, and the founder-driven launch, which I call the Holy Grail. So let's start with the first one. Type 1, the product showcase launch. You've seen these: Apple, Linear, Stripe, the cinematic, fully launched videos that look like they cost $250,000 to produce. Because often, they do. Traditionally, these take a motion designer 3 to 6 weeks in After Effects, tracing a UI by hand, animating every layer, syncing voiceover, and scoring music. It is a slow and expensive process, and the founders just don't have that runway. But enter Hyperframe. Hyperframes is HeyGen's open source video framework that is HTML native, built for AI agents, which means you can hand it a URL, a PDF, or with a prompt, and a coding agent will turn it into a fully rendered launch video. So let me show you. First, step 1, you need to install the skill with this one command. This teaches your AI coding agent how to use the framework. It works in Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and Gemini CLI. Step 2, prompt your agent. For instance, I could say, use the Hyperframe skill to create a 25-second product launch video from linear.app. Use Apple Keynote Energy. What happens behind the scenes is actually wild. The agent runs a 7-step pipeline. It captures the website, every screenshot, every brand color, every font, and it generates a brand reference. It writes a script with a hook, a story, proof, and a call to action. It storyboards every beat, and it generates voiceover with word-level timestamp. Then it builds animated HTML compositions for each beat and validates them. When it's done, you can run this code on the screen to preview it in the browser. And if you like it, you can render it. And pretty much that's it. You get a polished on-brand product launch video from a URL in minutes and not weeks. And the kicker, Hyperframes is fully open source. No pre-render fees, no seat caps. You can run it all on your own infrastructure forever. You're going to want to reach for this format when your product is the visual, when your UI is the story, and it's especially strong for SaaS and tech companies and for future releases where the product itself is the headline. When you want that big launch moment without the big launch budget, this is the type of product launch feature you use. Type 2, the social teaser launch. These are fast-moving, text-heavy launch videos you see all over LinkedIn and X. Even though these look simple, the rhythm is brutal to nail. And not to mention, it'll probably take you 2 to 3 weeks to script, edit, and to polish. This is where Video Agent comes in. Video Agent is HeyGen's flagship prompt-to-video creative engine. You give it a single prompt, and it handles everything else. I'm talking the script, the avatar, the voice, the scene composition, and the editing. It's an end-to-end production accomplished in one shot. Inside of HeyGen, you can navigate to the chat and enter your prompt into the text area. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. Create a 30-second product launch about HeyGen's Video Agent. Make it punchy, text-driven, energetic, and do not include an avatar. This is the entire input. Notice the last line. I'm telling Video Agent not to include an avatar. For the social teaser launch, the text and motion graphics carry the whole story, and so a talking head would just slow things down. And yes, it's a bit meta, we're using Video Agent to make a video about Video Agent, but quick aside, this prompt is the simple version. You can also go scene by scene with a granular approach. I'm talking timestamps, visual directions, voiceover lines, and for a product launch where every detail matters, I always recommend going with this approach. Now both work, I just lean towards a granular approach for product videos. Here's another perk that most people miss. You can run Video Agent in 2 ways. Straight to generate if you already know what you want, or you can use the chat mode first. In chat mode, Video Agent returns a full brief. The concept, the voices picked, the avatars, even how many credits it'll cost. You review it, you tweak it, and once you're happy with what it proposes, you hit generate. A couple of minutes later, you can expect a polished text motion graphic with synced AI voiceover, a clean intro, and a clear call to action. All done. You can also attach files, slides, images, even a PDF document, and the agent uses them as visual context. So if you got an existing pitch deck, you can drop it in and the agent will pull directly from it. You're going to want to reach for this format when you need to ship something fast. A LinkedIn launch post, an X teaser, or a quick recap for the investor update. Anything where speed and momentum beat polish. Type 3, the founder-driven launch, or as I like to call it, the Holy Grail. And here's why. People connect to people. A founder talking to camera, showing eye contact and real conviction, that cuts through every text layer and motion graphic on the internet. It is the format your investors want to see, as well as your earliest customers. It is the one that builds a personal connection with your audience. Now, traditionally, it is the most painful to produce. You need a studio, lighting, a crew, a teleprompter, and you need a founder willing to do 12 takes of the same 30-second beat. Not to mention, you need to coordinate all of that against a launch deadline that is usually yesterday. This is a perfect job for HeyGen's AI Studio. Inside, you can integrate your founders or your CEO's digital twin to create a professional on-branch launch video. That's without the studio, without the crew, and no schedule chaos. So step 1, first you need to build your storyboard before you launch your editor. I always structure a launch like this: problem, product, feature, and then impact. 4 beats, very tight, and each one earns the next. Step 2, choose your founder or your CEO's digital twin. A digital twin is a lifelike avatar trained from a real video footage of you. Your digital twin doesn't just look like you, it carries your delivery, your pacing, the small expressions that make you sound like you. And once it's trained, it can speak any script in any voice. And that's right, you don't need to be on camera, you don't need lighting, and you don't need to clear your calendar. Just drag it into the canvas, and there's your founder. Step 3, paste in your script. Pick a voice and then generate. You can adjust your speed, the pitch, and even the pacing. The voiceover always comes back warm, natural, and lip-sync. And step 4, layer in your product screen recordings next to your avatar. Cut between avatar and product as the script moves from problem to impact. This gives you the most control. The narrative is yours, the pacing, and the voice. And the production overhead is a fraction of the cost you would pay traditionally. Also, if you're a marketer trying to convince your founder to show up on camera, you never have to convince them, but the launch still feels founder-led. So that's it. 3 formats, 3 tools. Each one serves its own purpose for different kinds of product launches. Now let's be real here. The traditional version of any of these could range from 10 grand to hundreds of thousands and weeks of your life. The HeyGen version, it takes minutes. That's with no crew, no studio, and no camera anxiety. So if you want to try any of these, head to heygen.com. I'll put the link in the description. The Hyperframe repo and video agent docs are also linked in the description if you need those as well. Now before you click off, I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 launches fits your next product release best? The product showcase, the social teaser, or the founder-driven launch? Drop it in the comments. Trust me, I read every single one. And if you want to go even deeper on how to integrate your AI avatar into your next video, then click right here. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one.